So today I'm off to do a full valet on one vehicle and the interior valet on a Ford Kuga. Adam, the cameraman, is having a day off, so I'll be on my own. So I'll probably only be able to film maybe before and after clips. Just have to see how it goes. So yeah, that's what I'm up to today. So I will see you in a bit. So as you can see by the before and after clips, that was a BMW in the end for a full valet. The vehicle, I don't know if the pictures would have shown it, but the video clip, sorry. The vehicle had been smoked in. It's nor here or there for me. I don't mind doing vehicles like that. It's a job at the end of the day. So now I'm on my way to do a Ford Kuga interior valet. So maybe I might be able to do a little bit of filming, and it's starting to get really hot now. So I'm sort of glad it's just an interior valet and I ain't got to deal with hot paint and water drying too quick and sort of watermarking the glass and the body panels. Right, on to the next. So that was a Ford Kuga. As you can see by the before and afters, it's quite messy actually. That was 2 hours on an interior valet on that. So yeah, probably not a very exciting video today. Been out on my own. Is what it is. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Help the channel a lot. Leave a comment, take a look around at the opera uploads. You never know, there might be something that might interest you. Have a great day.